Today, I'm discussing 17 remote jobs that require no prior experience, many of which are fantastic opportunities you might not have known existed. We conducted extensive research, spanning over 100 pages, to ensure we provide top-tier content to assist you. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's dive into it with the first one on our list: entry-level AI data annotators. In this role, you essentially become the teacher for AI systems, grading their assignments to ensure their accuracy and effectiveness. AI data annotators earn between $64,000 and $104,000 annually. Remarkably, due to the novelty of AI-related jobs, formal degrees or established training programs are often not required, making entry into this field relatively accessible. There's a plethora of opportunities emerging in the realm of AI, so don't be swayed by the naysayers predicting widespread job loss due to AI advancements. Instead, consider roles like AI data annotators, which offer promising prospects. Here are some opportunities displayed on the screen for your reference. I rate this job an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next up is the role of TMF Associate, where TMF stands for Trial Master File, utilized in clinical trials. As a TMF Associate, you act as the behind-the-scenes organizer, ensuring that trial documents meet quality standards. TMF Associates earn between $49,000 and $76,000 per year. This role also offers relatively straightforward entry, with ample opportunities available. I rate it an 8 out of 10 for its potential. Moving on to entry-level business analysts, who analyze business-related data to enhance processes and systems. These professionals are sought after by tech firms, consulting companies, and various other industries. Business analysts earn between $84,000 and $129,000 annually. Entry-level business analyst positions offer lucrative opportunities, and I rate them an 8.5 out of 10. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a primary revenue stream for many YouTubers. As an affiliate marketer, you collaborate with affiliate managers to promote products or services. This collaborative effort involves promoting products or services and earning commissions for successful referrals. Affiliate marketers have the potential to earn significant income through this model. In the next job category, we have affiliate managers who play a crucial role in fostering and overseeing relationships with affiliates to boost online sales. They are indispensable in e-commerce companies and digital marketing agencies, akin to gardeners meticulously nurturing a variety of plants to cultivate a thriving garden, i.e., the affiliate network. Affiliate managers typically earn between $61,000 and $107,000 annually. Given the relatively nascent state of the digital marketing industry, these positions often offer accessible entry points without prior experience or a college degree. Here are some opportunities displayed for your consideration. I rate this job an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next, we delve into SAT tutoring, a field I myself ventured into during college, earning over $100 an hour. The SAT, a widely taken standardized test, originally stood for the Scholastic Aptitude Test, later changed to the Scholastic Assessment Test, and eventually simply abbreviated as SAT tutors typically earn between $50,000 and $87,000 a year. Whether pursued full-time, part-time, or as a side hustle, SAT tutoring offers lucrative prospects, even potential for starting one's own tutoring business. I rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Transitioning to remote commercial loan brokers, responsible for evaluating and approving commercial loan applications, managing client relationships, and ensuring loan compliance. Commercial loan officers earn between $133,000 and $239,000 annually. While networking plays a significant role in securing such positions, they are relatively more challenging to obtain compared to other roles. Hence, I assign this job a 7 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. On the other hand, solar advisors offer a more accessible entry point, guiding clients on adopting solar energy solutions. These advisors typically earn between $101,000 and $181,000 annually. This role, essentially a sales job disguised as consultation, presents excellent prospects, especially for those inclined towards sales-oriented endeavors. I rate it a solid 9 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Moving on to another sales-related position, we have the customer service and sales specialist role. Over the past decade, there's been a noticeable convergence between customer service and sales roles. Some companies intentionally engineer software glitches to prompt customer calls, turning these interactions into sales opportunities. However, in this position, the primary focus is on providing exemplary customer service. This entry-level sales role typically pays between $42,000 and $60,000 annually. It's a straightforward position to enter, and I'll display some opportunities for you to consider. I rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. If you're inclined towards a more lucrative sales career, I highly recommend exploring tech sales, which I discussed earlier in the video. Tech sales is currently in high demand, and there's free training available to familiarize yourself with the field. Now on to the financial professional associate role, where individuals support finance and accounting professionals in ensuring smooth operations. These roles typically offer salaries ranging from $83,000 to $136,000 annually. Networking is key to securing such positions, which are slightly more challenging to obtain. I rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. Similarly, remote financial professionals analyze financial data to aid decision-making processes. These positions offer salaries ranging from $87,000 to $152,000 annually. Networking remains crucial in accessing such opportunities, which are also moderately difficult to secure. I rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10 as well. Moving on, we have appointment generators, responsible for reaching out to potential clients and scheduling meetings for the sales team. They typically receive a base salary plus incentives, earning between $46,000 and $78,000 annually. This role requires no prior experience or a college degree, making it an excellent entry point into the field. I rate this opportunity a solid 9 out of 10. Next, we have apartment finders, who specialize in matching renters with suitable apartments. They collaborate closely with landlords and rental agencies, either working for real estate firms or independently. Apartment finders can earn between $101,000 and $114,000 annually. This role offers a fascinating career path, and I rate it a 9 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Next up is an entry-level programmer. I've discussed this extensively on the channel, as it's widely known that software developers earn lucrative salaries. Some pathways into the field are easier than others, such as AI-related roles, cloud-based positions, and those involving React. Entry-level programmers typically earn between $56,000 and $94,000 annually. Here are some opportunities for you to explore. I won't dwell on this topic too long since I've covered it extensively before. You don't necessarily need a college degree or previous experience, although a computer science degree can be beneficial. I rate this opportunity a 9.5 out of 10. Moving on, we have document control specialists, responsible for meticulously managing and organizing a company's documents. They typically earn between $46,000 and $66,000 annually. This role is straightforward to enter and doesn't require a college degree or previous experience. Here are some opportunities for you to consider. While it may not be a long-term career choice for everyone, I rate it a 7.5 out of 10 in terms of opportunity. Lastly, a community liaison, serving as a vital link between different organizations and the communities they serve. Whether working for a company, nonprofit, or organization, Community involvement contributes to both community and organizational growth. Community liaisons earn approximately $71,000 to $126,000 annually. This role is especially suitable for individuals skilled in networking, and much of the work can be done remotely. Networking is crucial for entering this field. Here are some opportunities for you to explore. I rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.